Hi students, how are you all? Today, without wasting our time, we are going to enter into exercise 4.3 of pair of linear equations in two variables. That is the concept regarding equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. It means in the previous two exercises, we learned how to solve the pair of linear equations either by using graphical method or elimination method or substitution method. Okay, in all those problems, either they had given the equations in direct standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 model, or word problems which are converting into the direct form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 form. But in this equation, which is very important, every exercise is important, Nana. This exercise is also very important for long answer type or for 4 marks questions, because in this exercise they will not give you the questions directly in the standard form of pair of linear equations. So we need to convert those equations into pair of linear equations. That's why this content is called equations reducible to pair of linear equations in two variables. In this exercise, the equations will not be in the direct pair of linear equations in two variable form. They will be in some other form. So we are going to learn here about how those given equations will be, which are not in pair of linear equations form, how to reduce them into our required PLE into V form. That one we are going to discuss. Okay, so how they will give means, generally variables will be there in the numerator form in pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, but in this exercise variables will be in denominator form, which is not appropriate. That's why whatever the variables will be there in the denominator form type of equations will be reducible into pair of linear equations. How do we do that one? Simple thing. The denominator containing variables, so reciprocal form of that thing 1 by that denominator term 1 by 1 by x minus 1, 1 by x plus y, these type of terms which are there in the original equation has to be taken in some other variable form, has to be considered in some other variable form. Understood? Then given linear equations will be reducible into pair of our required pair of linear equations form. Understood, Nana? So that is the conversion. So to find out original variables, we need to calculate considered variables first. Those considered variables gives us original variable. This is the process. Have you understood that? Let us see the problems with clear explanation. I will tell you. Right, Nana? Okay, Nana. According to previous explanation, simple explanation, we are entering into our last exercise of this chapter, that is exercise 4.3. Most important questions are first bit, first problem, fourth one, fifth one, and in the second bit all the three problems are important. Those are word problems, right? What this question contains, here in this first question they are saying solve the following equations reducing them into pair of linear equations in two variable form, and they had given this one as the first equation, this one as the second equation. Clear? Please observe that here 5 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 equal to 2, and 6 by x minus 1 minus 3 by y minus 2 equal to 1. These are the two given equations. If you observe them clearly, variables are in the denominator form. So first of all, these are not in pair of linear equation form directly. Okay, they are in some other form. So that some other form of equations has to be reducible into pair of linear equations in two variables. Okay, how do we do? Already I told you na, reciprocal form of the given equation terms has to be considered as new variable. So given equations are this one and this one. Here let for our convenience one more step I am adding. This implies this can be written as 5 into 1 by x minus 1 plus 1 by y minus 2 directly equal to 2, and this one 6 into 1 by x minus 1 minus 3 into 1 by y minus 2 equal to 1 is the next step of writing for our convenience. In this you can see the variables which are there in the denominators are written in reciprocal form type, 1 by something 1 by something. Already I told you na, that reciprocal form of things will be taken as new variables. So let this first one 1 by x minus 1 as new variable a, comma 1 by y minus 2 as b. Then this equation will be converted into 5a plus b equal to 2, and this will become 6a minus 3b equal to 1 from our consideration. Got it? Now you please see, it is like ax plus by plus c equal to 0 model. When it come to this side, constant will come. So in this form equations are there like pair of linear equations in two variable. The process of converting this given original forms into pair of linear equation form is called as equations reducible to pair of linear equations. Clear, Anana? Right. How to solve? From here onwards, solving these two equations 1 and 2 will be there, will be follow the previous process. So calculating AB values will be followed by elimination method or substitution method. Okay, whatever the process you will be able to do, you can apply that one. Probably most of the times we will use elimination method, so I am using that one. For that, here A coefficients are 5, 6, not same. Here B coefficient 1, here B coefficient minus 3, not same. But making the coefficient same is easy with variable y. So I am taking by elimination method. By elimination method, I am taking equation 1 into 3 gives me plus 3b value. Here minus 3b is there. Just add it with equation 2. That implies elimination method means eliminating one of the variable with reference to their same coefficients. Since not same coefficients are there for b, I am doing this calculation and they have opposite sign, just add them. Okay, this explanation, elimination process, substitution process explanation had been given in exercise 2 4.2. okay, right. Now equation 1 into 3 means these total terms are multiplied by 3. These total terms will be multiplied by 3, that is 15a plus 3b equal to 6, and the second equation as it is, no extra calculations. 6a minus 3b equal to 1, they are coming under addition. Okay, then plus 3b minus 3b get cancelled. 15a plus 6a will become 21a equal to 6 plus 1 will become 7, which implies a is equal to 7 upon 21 into 21 coming this side. This is equal to 1 by 3 after cancellation. Okay, Nana? So a value we got it as, therefore a is equal to 1 by 3 we got. Okay, one of substituted variable we got, considered variable we got. We need b also. Okay, for that one substitute this a value either in equation 1 or in equation 2. So for me, equation 1 implies 5 into a value 1 by 3 plus b is equal to 2. Clear, Anana? 2. This implies b is equal to 2. 5 into 1 by 3 will become 5 by 3. When it going to the other side will become minus 5 by 3. So now solve it. 3 is LCM. 3 2s are 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, b equal to 1 by 3 we got. Is that clear, Nana? So these are the new variable values. But this is not the final answer. Original question is there in terms of variable x and y. So those are our final destination answer, variable values. Okay. But after reducing them into PLE, we converted the equations into AB form. So we got those two values. Please keep it in mind. So this is not the final answer. From these two values, we need to get x and y. So, but what do we have? 1 by x minus 1 equal to a, but 1 by x minus 1 equal to a, which implies 1 by x minus 1 equal to a value how much? 1 by 3. Numerators are same. This implies denominators also same. Are you following my point? Right. Therefore, x equal to 3 plus 1, which equal to 4. Clear, Nana? In the same way, 1 by y minus 2 equal to b. 1 by y minus 2 equal to b, which implies 1 by y minus 2 equal to b value 1 by 3. By this, numerators are same, so denominators will become equal. By this, y is equal to 3 plus 2, that equal to 5. Clear, Anna? Therefore, the solutions are x equal to 4 and y equal to 5, because these are the actual two variables which are there in the original equations. Got it, Nana? Okay, Nana. Now we are going to enter into the next problem, Nana. That one is next another type of problem, that is first bit fourth question. In this, the given equations are 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy and 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. You see, these are not in original pair of linear equations in two variable form. In that form, we need ax plus by plus constant or equal to constant. It is not there in that model. So, given original equations are some other form, reduce them into PLE form. What we have to do for that? In this particular problem, we will do try to send this xy to this side, or another model, divide every term with xy. Okay, na? Divide every term with xy means we need constant only here. That's why xy is going to divide. So this implies 6x by xy plus 3y by xy is equal to 6xy by xy. Then x cancel, y cancel, xy get cancel. It is giving us 6 by y plus 3 by x equal to 6. Clear? Right. Here these are all 3 multiples. So you can cancel 3 also. So if you cancel 3, 2 by y plus 1 by x equal to 2 will come. Now write it in normal form. Therefore, it is like 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y equal to 2. Clear? So, this given equation exactly same as 1 by x plus 2 into 1 by y equal to 2. Okay, na? Both are same, na? But forms are changing. In the same way, try to convert the second equation also by dividing with xy. This is 2x by xy plus 4y by xy equal to 5xy by xy. X cancel here, y cancel here, xy get cancel. This implies 2 by y plus 4 by x is equal to 5 will remain. You can write it in order as 4 by x will become 4 into 1 by x plus 2 by y will become 2 into 1 by y equal to 5. Okay, Nana? So therefore, it is 4 into, okay, same, right? Okay, now these are new form of the given variable, given equations. These are new forms of given equations. Okay, in this you can see variables are there in the denominator form. So let 1 by x reciprocal term of the variable as new one, a new variable, and 1 by y as b. Then it implies this equation will become a plus 2b equal to 2. A plus 2b equal to 2. Let it be a PLE equation a. Here from this 4a plus 2b equal to 5 will comes as equation 2. Okay, Nana? These are the required form of pair of linear equations in two variables in terms of AB. This is our consideration. Solve them for AB, get our original variable values xy from AB. So how to solve? Here you see A coefficient 1, here A coefficient 4, here B coefficient 2, here B coefficient 2. Luckily, A coefficients are different, B coefficients are same with same sign. So just subtract them. So by elimination method, equation 1 minus equation 2 implies, is this part is clear, Nana? A plus 2b equal to 2, 4a plus 2b equal to 5. Add them, just subtract them. So by the subtraction, plus will become minus, plus will become minus, plus will become minus. By this 2b minus 2b get cancelled. A minus 4a is minus 3a equal to 2 minus 5 is minus 3. Okay, that implies the next step. So this implies minus 3a equal to minus 3. By this minus minus cancel, 3 get cancelled. Therefore, a value is coming as 1. One of the considered variable value a we got. From that, try to get b value. So substitute in equation 1. So therefore, equation 1 implies 1 plus this one, a plus 2b equal to 2. So 1 plus 2b equal to 2. That implies 2b equal to 2 minus 1. That implies 2b equal to 1. Therefore, b is equal to 1 upon 2. 1 by 2. Clear, Anana? So, a value, b value we got. But those are not the final answer, final variables. Those are considered variables. So, to get the original variables, but what is a means 1 by x. But 1 by x equal to a and 1 by y equal to b. Utilize them, which implies 1 by x equal to a value here 1. So therefore 1 by x equal to 1 means cross multiplication x equal to 1. We got x value. Here 1 by y equal to b value 1 by 2. That implies numerators are same, so denominators also same. That gives you y equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 1 and y equal to 2 are original variable values, are the solutions. Okay, now original variable values are the solutions. Have you understood that one, Anna? So this is the simple process. In every model, first problem contains full explanation for the first time. In the second problem, using that explanation, just we will follow the procedure. Now see that, Nana, after the completion of those two problems, I am picking up one more model problem of the same kind, that is first bit fifth question. In this, the given equations are 5 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y equal to minus 1 and 15 by x plus y plus 7 by x minus y equal to 10. we need to solve them for xy after reducing them into pair of linear equations form. What do we do? How do we do? So just write its another form, easy form. 5 by x plus y can be written as 5 into 1 by x plus y minus 2 by x minus y can be written as minus 2 into 1 by x minus y equal to minus 1, and this will become 15 into 1 by x plus y plus 7 into 1 by x minus y equal to 10. Clear, Anana? As I told you before, when the variables are there in the denominator form, those are not original PLE form. To reduce them into PLE form, consider that reciprocal type term as new variable. So let 1 by x plus y equal to a and 1 by x minus y equal to b. Then this equation will become 5a minus 2b equal to minus 1. 5a minus 2b equal to minus 1, and this will become 15a plus 7b equal to 10. 15a plus 7b equal to 10. Let it be equation 1 and this one as equation 2, which are pair of linear equations in two variables a b form. Solve them. So by elimination method, what we need to do? 5a here, 15a. Coefficients are not same to eliminate a. For b, minus 2 plus 7. B coefficients are also not same to eliminate them directly. So make them same. I am choosing elimination of a just by multiplying equation 1 with 2. Then this will become 15a, here also 15a. Okay, numerals are same with same sign plus, so subtract that result with equation 2. What it implies? Total equation multiplied by 3 means this is 15a minus 6b equal to minus 3, and equation 2 as it is 15a plus 7b equal to 10. Just subtract them, so plus become minus, plus become minus, plus become minus. 15a minus 15a eliminated. Okay, minus 6b minus 7b is minus 13b equal to minus 3 minus 10 is minus 13. Okay na, that implies b equal to minus 13 by minus 13, they get cancel, equal to 1. Therefore first considered substituted variable value, b value, we got it as 1. From this, using equation 1 or equation 2, get a. Okay Nana, so I'm doing that one here. So equation 1 implies, what is that one in 5a minus 2b, b value 1, 2 into b equal to minus 1. Okay Nana, right, which implies 5a minus 2 equal to minus 1, which implies 5a equal to minus 1 plus 2, that implies 5a is equal to 1, therefore a is equal to 1 by 5. These are the new variable values, a value, b value. Those are not final answer na, already I told you. So what me meant by a, what meant by b? Here 1 by x plus y equal to a, but 1 by x plus y equal to a and 1 by x minus y equal to b. So use this. This implies 1 by x plus y equal to a value 1 by 5. Numerators are equal, so denominators will be equal. This implies x plus y equal to 5. This is equation 3. New equation in terms of xy. So here also this implies 1 by x minus y equal to b value, how much we got it Nana? 1. 1 means 1 by 1. That implies x minus y is equal to 1. this is equation 4. Now you see equation 3 and equation 4 are two new pair of linear equations in terms of original variables xy. We need to solve them again, but these equations are not this much calculated equations, but these equations are not having much calculation. Easily you can calculate either by addition or by subtraction. In that model only they will be there. Okay Nana? So just add equation 3 and 4, because plus y minus y by the addition they will get cancelled. Therefore equation 3 plus equation 4 implies x plus y equal to 5, x minus y equal to 1. Add them, plus y minus y cancel, 2x equal to 6. That implies x equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. Therefore x equal to 3. Okay, here now equation 3 implies this one, x value 3 plus y equal to 5, which implies y equal to 5 minus 3, therefore y equal to 2. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2. Therefore 3 comma 2 are the solutions. In this way you have to conclude the answer. Understood Nana? So 3 problems only I have taken from first bit. First one, fourth one, fifth one, all are having procedure same, but asking the question in different way. So solving the problem, we are solving the problem in different ways. Have you understood that? Like that, in the public examination under CC pattern, different type of questions will come, but we need to follow this process only. Reciprocal form of the variable things has to be taken as new variables. You will get PLE, solve them, you will get AB, those are not final answers. From them, by the substitution things, get the original variable values. This is the process. Have a good day, take care. Those who are interested in listening these classes, who are learning the concept, those who are getting clarified their doubts, please like this one, share the content to somebody else, subscribe the channels, ask your friends to watch, acquire knowledge, get good grade. Okay Nana, have a good day. Thank you.